Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and all of you are doing good. Today is Thursday and today is the last day of my school because from tomorrow I'll have my holidays. The usual holidays Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's why today is the last day. Usually, most of the girls and including my sister are so happy today. Not me, because I love going to school, it's so fun. My Ammu started the day by making our tiffin. She gave us Maggie today. Every Thursday, she gives us something that we love. Like Maggie is one of our favorite food, that's why. She gave Maggie for us and she already packed it. Next, she is making a cup of milk for us. Like, we will only have this in the morning sometimes. Yeah, she made a cup of milk and then we got ready, and here we were we were waiting for our bus. Like, when our bus will come, we'll go. And yeah, we were just going, we just came down, and now we'll be waiting for the bus, and then when the bus arrives, we'll just go. After a while, our bus arrived. Like, it's not so accurate, it comes at almost 1 2 minutes late or early most of the time, but it's okay. After that, my Ammu came back. Ammu came back, and then we had bought some papaya the last day, and that's what my Ammu was working on. She was cutting the papaya. You can already see the half, and then she made it into three, and then she's cutting into small slices. I love eating papayas, it's just so yummy. Who all loves eating papayas? Don't forget to tell me. I really want to know. I want to see. There's so many papaya fans. In my family, almost everybody loves eating papaya except for my Bunu. She doesn't like. And then my Amu is preparing her breakfast. She has some curd, and then she put some granola, a mixture inside, and then she's just going to eat it. Yeah, that's all for her breakfast. Then she will start the second the first most no, the second most important job after sending us to school is preparing our lunch. The first thing that she's starting with is fish curry. That's one of our super favorite things that no food that we love eating for lunch. Not for dinner mostly, but for lunch it's so good. Like, we actually love it because like fish is one of our top favorites. That's why. Then she's starting with making some dal. She's making dal with pumpkin and potato. She likes to mix things together with dal. Like, I don't know, but it's easier like creating a potato dish and a pumpkin dish, and then we go for dal. Instead of all that, my ammu just mix all that together and creates one dish. And then she's making the spinach fry. Well, there's a specific name for this, but I don't have any idea, so just bear with me. Yeah. Anyway, like, who needs to know it? It's just about the recipe, right? And anyway, if you want the recipe, then I'll ask my Ammu to give you one. Except for that, why do we need to even know it? That's what my Bunu says. She's like, why do you need to know it? It's just food. I know most of the things, but some things I don't know, like this one. And on this side, our dal, pumpkin, and potato mixed sabzi was ready. And then my Ammo is frying some extra spices to add some extra flavor. like some dry chili, some um something, a type of seeds, and then I guess that's ginger or garlic, something, and then she's adding it onto the mixture. And then we came home from school. It was time for us to come home from school. And then we had our lunch, and this was the evening time. At this time, like Ammu and everybody started to work. I was also working, and Bunu was helping my Ammu to like wash the clothes. So she just put all the clothes inside the washing machine, and then my Ammu started it. Then she played with our birds for a few minutes. Like, yeah, they both were playing with our birds. I don't like to do that. And then they were fighting. Like, some of my birds are like, no, I can't stand you. Like these two, they always fight with each other. I don't know why. The parrot, Alan hates everyone. Like, literally, he can't bear any other bird when he's there. Too much jealousy. Anyway, the others are quite good only, except for when like they started fighting and they don't listen and they make a lot of mess around the house. Except for these points, they're good. For me, for my Bunu and Ammu, for me, they're not at all good. I hate pets. I hate every kind of creature. Like, I don't know. I just don't like them. Like, they're so scary. And then I was playing Ludo with my Ammu. We were playing Ludo with her. I was just kind of bored, and like my Ammu was also bored, so we started playing Ludo. And my Bunu was playing with something like her Rubik's Cube she was playing with. We had a good match in Ludo. As you can see, we had a good match there. After that, she started making something again. This time, she was making onion pakora. It was just for snacks. Like, we always have, not most of the days, yeah, most of the days in the weekend time, we have snacks. So for that, my Amu started making onion pakora for us. And as you can see, for that, she's chopping off the onions and then slicing them just like this. And then she's putting all the chilies inside there. Then adding a bit of turmeric and then salt and then roasted cumin and black pepper powder and finally red chili powder. Then she's putting in some gram flour and then rice flour, and finally she's putting some ginger garlic paste, and then we are going to mix it all together just like this. You can use anything. For my Amu, it's easy with her hands. And then slowly mix some water and then pour some water and keep on mixing it. And when you're done, you can slowly make some little balls and you can put it in the oil for frying, just like this. When the color is like this, pretty golden brown, and it depends on how much crispy you want it to be, you can take it out and serve it in a plate. That's all we had. And then our stove was so dirty, so that's why my Amma started cleaning it. Like, she always wants everything to be super clean. So she sprayed it. First she sprayed it with the that cleaning spray, and then she just wiped it off with a cloth, and then she sprayed a few more on the darker stains or maybe the stains which were not going, And then she nicely wiped it off, and then she's putting back all the things. Just like this. And then finally we can keep the rest of the things on top. Like these black ones. And then we'll be done. And it's done. Keep the rack. And it looks so much cleaner. And then my Amu was cleaning this pan. So this was a technique she saw on the internet, and they're like, use this lime with some baking soda and then like rub it on the pan, then all the stains will go. That's what they showed on the internet. But as you know that this internet is a full-time scammer, this did not work. So yeah. And I already told you guys before, like my Amo has a lot of pans. Like if you want, she can literally show you. She has a lot of pans inside the place where like we keep all the things. But like she only likes to use this one. I don't know why this is her favorite, but she just loves this one. And then she made a cup of tea for herself. Sorry, coffee. She made a cup of coffee for herself. She was too tired after all the work, so she took a break by making herself a cup of coffee. And then this was a chocolate that we had got, and we were trying it out. It was okay. It was like peanut filled chocolate like this. Inside there was like peanuts, crushed peanut flavor, and she was drinking her coffee with it. And then there was also biscuits, and yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. I'll see you on next video. Bye bye. Masalama.